Class 1.
Tafarira ya kuhe arutwo a thukuru cia muthingi macini cia laptop ni ikwambia ringi. Kamiti ino yugite itena ria keeri ria kuheana macini icio rigukinyira arutwo a kuma kirathi gia kana nginya gia kanana. Itena riri rikirongoreria kuheo o cukuru ya muingi macini mirongo itano.
Phase 2 of this program will involve establishing a resource learning center in each of the schools and will distribute 50 laptops in each of the schools that now will be used by students in class 4 and 8 so that the full primary school stream is taken care of. The program has started. We have also trained more than 90,000 teachers on the use of the laptops, and also we are working very closely both with the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of and the Teacher Service Commission.
Kamiti ino iragomanite kaunti ya Embu inyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti yo mubango-ini uria yambiriirie wa kuhunjia bata wa Akenya kuhimbiria uhuthiri wa mitambo ya tekinoloji.
The Senate I.C.T committee is just going mashinani to make sure that we engage with our counterparts at the county level. Today we had invited actually the entire eastern and upper eastern region, so we have Meru, Embu, Laikipia.
Na pia debate katika na county assemblies waanze kujua kwamba hakuna mahali ambapo utapata kufanya biashara ama kufanya maendeleo bila kutumia mtandao ama kutumia teknolojia mpya.
Kamiti iyo igukorwo igithiururuka kaunti-ini itiganite ikiuga ni njira ya gutigirira ituge inya iria citugiritio ni thirikari ni ciakinyanira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.